Welcome to Break Shack. This is the original paranormal music box, the PMB, made by Para4ce. So this is extreme high quality. Yeah, really nice finish to it. Yeah, so the top and bottom plate are made of steel. And then we've got this nice finish wood. Yeah, really good quality. The battery life lasts a really long time because you've got two 9-volt square batteries in there. We have the on and off switch here. We have the light and the motor that powers the music box. So when it's triggered, obviously we get the light turn on and we get the music box turn. So this is very unique. All the other versions of the panel music box aren't the same as this. The sensor's not the same. This is a very high-end infrasound sensor. So this basically is similar to the sonar sensor in submarines. Same sort of things bats use to navigate as well. So this is a better quality than your standard paranormal music box. So anything moves in front of this sensor, that includes humans or spirits, it will trigger. So I'll just give you a little demonstration of it, what it sounds like when it's going. So I've just moved it, so that'll trigger. So that's what it sounds like when it's going. Yeah, very nice piece of kit. I really do like these. So if you're interested in one, I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching.